Okay, good morning class. At this point we're looking at algebra. We busy with exercise. Nope. Yesterday we looked at the sum and difference of cubes, not so? Right. So today we're going to look at, this is for exercise 8, collecting like terms. Okay, so you can write that as your heading, collecting like terms, and this is the example on page. Which page is this example on? Sorry? 14. 13, no problem. So you're looking at collecting like terms. You can simplify the expression by collecting like terms. Alright, let's see. So the first sum, it says expand and simplify. Expand and simplify. Should I say examples of exercise 1.8 or is it examples for exercise 1.8? Huh? Of. What's the difference? You don't know? Does it sound right? You ask your English teacher, why is it of exercise 1 and why not is it for? Because in my English lesson, I was doing my maths homework, okay? Which is not the right thing to do, no? Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. How are you doing?
I'm good, and yes,
Good,
sir.
good.
So they said I must come and ask, are you going to send the answers in the group chat?
Which grade? Sorry about that. Right, so expand and simplify. We are given 3a into a plus 1 minus 2a squared into a minus 7 minus a cubed plus 7a squared minus 4a plus 1. Right. So what do we do first? Firstly, how many terms are here? 3 terms. What separates terms? Positive and negative signs. Nice. Okay. So before we can add these like terms, we need to simplify these terms first. Not so? Right, so let's simplify. We're going to get rid of the brackets by multiplying out. Not so? Right. And so on. Okay. Looks very messy, so I'm going to take it off. But you guys get the idea, eh?
Yes, sir.
So what is 2a times a?
3a squared.
Oh, is it 3a? Sorry, the cursor was there. So it's going to be 3a squared. What's 3a times 1? 3a. Can you see that, people? What's negative 2a squared times a?
Negative 2a.
Negative 2a times negative 7.
Positive
14a squared. You all understand?
Yes, sir.
Carry on. What's negative 1 times a cubed?
Negative a cubed.
Negative 1 times positive 7a squared.
Negative 7a squared.
Negative 1 times negative 4a.
Positive 4a.
Negative 1 times 1.
Negative 1.
You guys understand?
Yes.
So what do I do now?
Like so.
Collect like terms. So 3a squared is a like term to negative 14a squared minus 7a squared. So 3a is a like term to 4a. No? The 4, not 14, is 4. Okay? Then negative 2a cubed, negative a. And negative 1 is on its own. Okay. So let's go. 3a, let's do let's just do it in order. 3a squared plus 14a squared, 17a squared. Minus 7a squared, 10a squared. So 3a plus 4a, 7a. Not so? Negative 2a cubed minus a cubed. And then? You guys understand? Any confusion? No? Now moving to first. No. Now move a little faster. Alright, let's look at example 2. And example 2 is also on page 30. Okay. Again, expand and simplify. So how many terms are here? 3 terms. What's separate terms? Plus and minus terms. So before I can collect or add like terms, what do I have to do? Simplify the terms. Get rid of the brackets. Which is simplify or expand. Then that means to say your final solution should contain no brackets. Okay, when it says factorize, your last answer must only be one term or brackets. Okay? So looking at the first term, what must be done first? Must I multiply the 2 in, or do I do the brackets first?
Brackets first.
I tend to do the brackets first. If you multiply the 2 in, no problem. It will only be multiplied by one bracket, not both. Okay, so you can either put that 2 with that, or with the second bracket. Okay, but normally what we do is we first do the brackets. So we're going to use the distributive law. X times x, x squared. X times 2, 2x. Negative 3 times x, negative 3 times 2, minus 3. Now what is this to us? Binomial squared. Binomial squared. Not so? And that's a rule that we have done. Again, people, if you're that kind of girl that is getting the messing up the rules all the time, what must you do? Write it out twice, then multiply it out. Okay, now I know the rule. Alhamdulillah. So what do? We square the first term. Which is going to give us? X squared. How do we get the middle term? It's x times 2 times 2. X times negative 2 times 2. It's going to give us? Negative 4x. Negative 2 all squared? Okay, so look at it again. It's x minus 2 squared. So that's if you're going, eh? You would have done this. If you're messing up the rule, you would have done that. Multiply x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. Which is x squared minus 4x minus plus 4. Okay? You guys understand? Right. Again, people, if you are making now and then that mistake, then don't apply it. Because why? It's going to cost you marks in the long run. Okay? And the last term, people, what's going to happen here? It's what we call what do you call this? A conjugate pair. Not so. So what can we do then? Multiply the first. Again, if you can't establish when it's conjugate, then when, what must you do? Multiply the whole foil out. Okay? So that's going to be x times x. X squared. Negative 5 times positive 5.
Negative 25.
So what do I do now? Multiply, get rid of the brackets now. Can you see? Again, when it comes to these sums, people, write neatly. Okay? The sum's going to become messy. Okay? So what's 2 times x squared? 2x squared. 2 times 2x? 4x. 2 times negative 3x? 2 times negative 6? Minus 3 times x squared? Negative 3 times negative 4x? Negative 3 times positive 4? 5 times x squared? 5 times negative 25? Okay. So what do we do now? Like terms. So negative 2x squared, so like them to? Negative 3x squared, you like them to? 5x squared. 4x minus 6x, 12x. Negative 12, negative 12, negative 125. Do I have to do this markings? No, you don't have to. Okay? You just do this so that we can identify. So 2x squared minus 3x squared negative 1x squared plus 5x squared 4x. 4x minus 6x negative 2x plus 12x negative 12 minus 12 negative 24 minus 125. Okay. Any confusion? No? Another example. You guys want to write this down? Are you good? Is it okay? Okay, let's carry on. The last one. Example 3. On page 13. Okay. Expand and simplify. Okay. How many terms are there? 2 terms. Okay. The first term, before we can add and subtract them, must simplify the terms first. So, is this a rule of, can we apply the sum over the difference of two cubes here?
Yes.
Let's check. Is the first term being squared? What is 2x all squared? 2a all squared. 4a squared. That is negative. Is that positive? Yes. 2a times 3b? 6ab. Negative 3b all squared? 9b. So hang on. I can multiply this out. First and last. People, what do we do if we don't know how to apply the rule? Multiply the whole story. You would have gone and said 2a times that, times that, times that, then, and so on. Okay? You will end off with the same answer. It will just take you one step extra. But we have established that the rule can apply, so you can multiply the first and the last. So 2a times 4a squared. 8a cubed. Negative 3b times positive 9b squared. Negative 27b cubed. Did you get the second term? What must be done there? Multiply the negative 18. Not so. So negative 8 times a cubed was negative 8 times negative b cubed. What do you notice? Like terms. Okay. I can't believe it's so easy. No? I'm upset. Why is grade 10 so easy? Huh? Right. So what's 8a cubed minus 8a cubed? Cancel, yes. What's negative 27b cubed plus 8b cubed? Negative 19b cubed. What is going on with this 9? People, you guys understand? Any confusion? Yes? Sorry? This answer. Okay. Is it to do with this? You understand? Okay, any questions, people? So I want like you guys to do exercise 1.8. For now, you're going to do out of exercise 1.8. You're going to do A. I think it's 1A, B, A, C, E. You do those 3 sums for me. I'll call you up row by row again to ensure that you guys understand what's going on. When you're done with that, and then you go to number 2, A, C, E again. I think this, is that the right sums?
Yes, sir.
Right, at this point we'll stop the video.